Hi there. If you're a designer, these days remote meetings are pretty much the norm. You don't have to drive around town, meeting just one or two customers, which is great. But it is also much harder to connect with your clients. Whenever I present or show ideas in a remote call, I become this tiny postage stamp. I am now realizing that most of my clients are having a hard time focusing. When I visit in person, the way we interact and engage is completely different. I can show samples, see body language, and my clients can see me sketch and mock up ideas. That is so tough now. I wanted to find a way to capture and bring the magic and essence of my in-person meeting into remote meetings. Reactiv SUITE can do this. It has this amazing camera mode where I can stand out and show my designs and concepts right beside me. I can put up designs, ink, and markup visually in the meeting, even show product samples so my clients get the bigger picture. It also has my business card front and center, so my brand is visible, which is critical for my business. I love the fact that the ink sticks to the document and the page. So I can suggest changes, make modifications, as simply as if I was writing on paper. I can even leave blank spaces in my deck and write down concerns and parking lot items for future discussions. I find this to be a great way to reduce mistakes and visually interact with my clients during a presentation. In the end, I can save everything with a simple button click and share this file back with my clients and my team. So follow-up is super simple as well. Reactiv Scribble gives me that huge piece of paper which I miss in remote calls. I can pin up designs, create mood boards, and interactively change things based on the discussion. It is perfect for brainstorming and helping my clients visualize an idea or concept. I find that it can dramatically reduce mistakes and misunderstandings. Reactiv SUITE makes my clients feel like they are in the same room in a remote call. You can have the best of both worlds with Reactiv SUITE.